Hey, what's up, guys? This is just a quick follow up from my earlier video about automation with ZOS using Zowe CLI and NPM scripts. Shout out to Selma from the Mainframe Technology Facebook group who asked if there's something or anything on DB2 and Zoe. So here it is. And before I forget, I'd also like to do a shout out to Cheslin from Team Zoe itself who shared the blog from one of her colleagues about this topic as well. So it's really exciting to be interacting with the smart people from Zoe. So let's get stuck into it. So this is the documentation URL for installations, use case, and the commands. So this can be found at the docs.zoe.org website. I'll post a link on the video description below, together with the links from the articles that Jesslyn has sent out. And really, once we've done all the prerequisites and the installation, it's really now as easy as typing in the command or syntax on your terminal or command prompt. So let's do that now. So in this example, you will execute an SQL query straight from the terminal without writing any code or program. So we are selecting some columns: country code, country name, currency code, last update user, last update timestamp from one of my test tables where the country code starts with the letter Z or Z. Let's do that. So there you go. So as you can see, it may be a bit difficult to write SQL query statements if it gets too long. So luckily there is a file option where we can also write several SQL statements and run them together in a single CLI command. So let's look at how to do that. So I've written a file which has two SQL statements. One is update and another is the same select statement we've done earlier. So in the update, so I'm setting the country to, or let's set the country to Zoe country. Set WD maybe. Let's set the user to Zoe. Where country code is that? So that's it. So let's go back to our terminal. Let's do that file option. So in this option, so we say execute SQL from a file which is named DB2 SQL file. It's that same file there. So let's execute that now. So there we go. So there's our update. So the country has been updated to Zoe country. Code has been updated to ZWD and user Zoe with the correct timestamp. So similarly, we can run our Zoe DB2 commands from our npm package.json file as well. Have a look at here. So we can include those commands and attach it to scripts and concatenate it with other scripts to execute other Zoe or ZOS tasks. So in this case, I've added the file db2 Zoe command as part of my other Zoe ZOS task. So let's try running that ZOS automation. So this calls an API and then calls our to SQL. So as you can see, the first update doesn't return anything because it's just an update, and then the second result would be to just get or fetch the details. So there you go. We've now interacted with IBM DB2 database table from outside ZOS without writing any code or program. So enjoy and see you again next time.